Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of crypto trading, leverage. Many people don't understand the concept of leverage and how to use it to their advantage. So, in this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about leverage in crypto trading. What is leverage? First, let's start with the basics. What is leverage? Leverage is essentially borrowing money to increase your trading position. It allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. For example, if you have $1,000 and you want to control a position worth $10,000, you can use leverage to borrow the remaining $9,000. Leverage ratio. The leverage ratio is the amount of borrowed funds compared to your own capital. The most common leverage ratio in crypto trading is 10-to-1, meaning that you can control a position worth 10 times your own capital. However, it's important to remember that leverage can also magnify your losses, so it's crucial to use it wisely. How to use leverage? To use leverage, you need to open a margin trading account with a crypto exchange. Once you have the account, you can select the leverage ratio and enter the amount of funds you want to borrow. It's important to remember that you will be charged interest on the borrowed funds, so it's essential to factor that into your trading strategy. Risk management. Managing your risk is crucial when using leverage in crypto trading. Always have a stop-loss order in place to limit your losses if the market moves against you. Additionally, don't over-leverage yourself, as this can lead to significant losses if the market turns against you. How to use leverage in crypto trading? To use leverage in crypto trading, you need to have a good understanding of the market and the risks involved. Start small and gradually increase your leverage as you become more experienced. Remember to always manage your risk and have a solid trading strategy in place. So, that's everything you need to know about leverage in crypto trading. Remember that leverage can be a powerful tool if used correctly, but it can also lead to significant losses if misused. Always manage your risk and have a solid trading strategy in place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.